Good morning, guys. It is Friday morning. It is 7:30 in the morning. I'm headed to work and I'm gonna sign my lease at 10 a.m. So hopefully, from what I understood, I'm getting my keys and everything today and I'll move in starting tonight through this weekend. I'll let you guys know if anything changes, but I'm really excited and really nervous and just like, this is real now. Like, this is really real. So it's the moment you guys have all been waiting for, my empty apartment tour. So here's the door where you walk in. I have a nice little like breakfast dining table area that's gonna be right there. I have my closet. That's a dehumidifier, by the way. Then it goes to my living room. It's very big. I'm thinking about doing my TV on that wall and then having my sectional kind of out. You go through, here is my kitchen. Let me grab the light. Got a nice little stove, very nice, very clean. Got a ton of cabinet space. Counter space is a little rough, but like we can deal. I'm not that like picky. Nice freezer and fridge, but like tons and tons of space for storage. Like, I don't think I have this much stuff. So we continue on and we have a little split in the hallway. So here's the bathroom. Perfect, got that mirror little thing. It's like the cabinet kind. Nice for storage again. Ooh, it's the clicky kind. More stuff. You know, it's just a bathroom, but it's nice. I got a shower. Cute. I have a tub, fully tub, nice. I'll probably change this. It's not my vibe. Then we'll go out. Well, here I have a closet right here for things and stuff. Shelf's a little dented, but yeah. And then I have another little closet right here. Look at this. Like, what do I do with all this stuff? I don't know. I have just so much space. And then we'll continue out. Shut the light off because we're paying for that. Another hallway light. You know, I have a doorbell. That's cool. And then here's my office. I've decided I think this is gonna be my office. Look right out there. Crazy. This is probably where I'll park my car, somewhere right here. I have a really big closet, like huge. And I've got the 2 mirrored doors, so I don't even need a mirror. My selfie game is sort of wrong in here. So with this wall and all this stuff is gonna be great for filming. I'm really excited with the neutral walls. And then this is gonna be my bedroom. I picked the smaller one for my bedroom, so it's cozy and it's just for sleeping. More closet space. Me again, hey. And then windows and shit. Very, very exciting. This is it, guys. This is my new apartment. Can you believe this? Oh my god. I'm just like at a loss of words. So, on that note, I'm gonna figure out how to turn that light off. What's that this? Ha, it's that one. Excuse the fact that I look like a total mess. Basically, I've been cleaning a lot, and it's super fun, actually. Okay, so fun fact. Yesterday I got home and my parents were like acting really weird, and obviously I'm moving, so they're acting weird. Oh, what? Yeah, moving. I haven't moved completely, but anyways, they're acting super weird, and I was like, what did I do? Like, what's going on? And they're like, they called me into the living room super seriously, like, we have something we want to show you, and we're like, okay. And look what they got me. They got me a freaking shark vacuum. Like, are you serious? This is so nice. I'm just like so shocked because I didn't expect anything. You know, like my dad said he's gonna help me move and they were giving me a couch and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. And like that's, I'm just so lucky to have a family like this who supports me in everything. I'm gonna keep cleaning now. So far I've gotten all of this side clean and I have to get all of this side and the bathrooms and all that jazz. And I of course already vacuumed very excitingly. Current issue, I can't open them. I need the scissors to open the scissors. So I guess we'll just sit in the drawer for now. Guys, look who's here. Hello, it's Alyssa, if you guys didn't know, which you don't because she's never been on the vlog. Welcome. We went to Meijer, we got bread, we got sushi, we got ice cream. Do you want to bring your ice cream home or do you want to leave it here?
I'm just gonna leave it here.
Cool.
We got alcohol.
We got booze.
I saw this at Meijer's, the raspberry rosé, and immediately thought of Lindsey.
True. I got my
because it is the most basic drink I've ever found.
True. Oh, I got the coffee creamer and milk. We are very prepared. We might have already broken the sink, but I put it on this side, so now it makes sense. And I'm gonna look at it tomorrow with my parents.
We're gonna have to get a plug for that.
I have other plugs, which is what I don't understand. Like, I feel like it's supposed to just, you know what I mean?
Right.
Switch out, but we're very struggling.
We'll figure it out. And by we, I mean she's gonna figure it out.
And by we, I mean my dad.
Yeah.
Because dad's
the adults.
The real adults.
What else are they for?
We're trying hard. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Gross.
Say bye.
Bye.
So it is Saturday. It is 88 degrees out. And I'm officially moved in with all of these piles of boxes. Look at all this stuff I have to do. Like, this is like all of everything. Oh. What a journey this has been. Oh. But on the plus side, it was just my dad and I that did all this. We got my bed in, and I got a little window fan. It feels so good. So we're thriving. So my bed's in here, and it fits perfectly because that's all I want is just my bed in here. And we got my dresser, which the drawers are out there, my desk, and then sneak peeks. There's nothing there, but there will be things there. I'm really excited to be able to film. I also have mirrors and stuff. But I have all my blinds shut. I'm trying to keep it as cool as I can in here. It's super, super hot. So, yep. Let's get all this done. Alright, it is 8:23 right now. I don't know, at PM. I don't know the last thing I showed you guys, but I've gotten a lot done since whenever I showed you no matter what. Here's the box pile. It's going down. I have hung up my coats in my coat closet. I've hung up some art on the walls to start my art wall again. That's where I ate dinner. That's all my recycle boxes. Still some things to put away, but like that's all bathroom stuff. You can see I haven't touched the bathroom yet. That is entertainment stuff. Obviously I don't have TV or anything yet, but I have the start to these set, so I'm really excited to see what I do with the lights for that. Everything's been unpacked in the kitchen. I even made dinner. I forgot my vlogging moment. I ate my first dinner inside the house. Let me turn off that light. And it was warmed up pizza. Very exciting, I know. What else have I done? Oh, I hear my Bluetooth speaker dying. I'm just all over the place right now. I've hung up more clothes in closets. This is where I'm like hanging my nicer clothes. I don't know why I separated it, but I did. And then here's where I sleep, and that's a little window fan. So good, lifesaver. It's not air conditioned here, so the office still needs work, but like we're definitely making progress. Look at that desk. This is where I'm gonna do my makeup every morning. I have my mirror for that too. In the kitchen right now. I don't know what's in the kitchen, but we're getting there. All of my clothes are in here. Super nice. More things to go through. What's new? Oh hey, it's me looking like trash. And then I hung up all of my clothes completely, like all the way down. It's a huge closet. I have to do my shoes there still, but like I've made huge progress in a very short amount of time. So I'm very proud of that, but I still have a lot more to do. And once we have the TV and the couch, it's when it'll feel good. I think in 2 weeks I'm gonna order a kitchen table. I'm just gonna wait, because when you pay all the bills at once, you don't want to order like expensive things. So, life update.